This video is going to demonstrate how to install the new Garage Hive Power BI app. To do this, you need to log into your Garage Hive Power BI. I highly advise that you have this enabled, this new look on. It just changes the design of Power BI. It looks much nicer. Once this is enabled, you need to go to your admin settings. So you click the cog in the top right hand corner and you look for admin portal. Once you're in the admin portal, you need to go to Tenant Settings on the left hand side. You then need to scroll all the way down the page and you're looking for the option that says Install Template Apps Not Listed in App Source. Click on it to open it up. Then you need to make sure that this button here is enabled. So it will say disabled, you need to select enabled. Apply to the entire organization and then select apply. This will now allow your system to install the Garage Hive app. Once you've requested access to the Garage Hive Power BI application, someone from the team will send you some details. Within those details, there will be a URL link to the app. All you need to do is in your web browser, follow this link or enter the URL into your web browser. And it's going to ask you if you want to install the app. Just select install. And it will take a minute or so for the app to install. You have to wait till this is done. Okay, once the app has installed, just ignore this one. This is here because I've previously done this. But once the app is installed, if you click on the app, so on your left hand side here in the menu, you've got apps. Well, you need to just select there and then open the app. And the first time you open the app, you're going to be presented with this window. And what you actually need to do from here is connect your data. So select this option. And then you need to enter your tenant ID, your company name, and then your instance ID. So again, within the documentation and the email that you receive, you will get this information. But the tenant ID is essentially the first part of your URL for your Garage Hive login. Your company name is your company name, but this is as per Garage Hive. So again, you need to speak to one of the members of the team to get this information. And then the instance ID is either going to be BC1, BC2, or BC3 currently. You'll find this from the end part of your URL. It will say one of those three numbers. So once that information is entered, you press next. And it's going to ask you for authentication. So you need to select basic authentication. You want to type in your username and your password and then simply sign in. Now, if we look at the data set of the application, you'll see that the data is now refreshing. And this data will soon be ready to view in the application. Now, what I recommend that you do is you go back to your apps and you select favorite. And then that way, when you go to your favorites, you can get access to this application. So that is how you install the Garage Hive Power BI app. Any questions, please let me know.